Good day, my friends, and I welcome you back to our channel. I hope so that they enjoy the lectures we will put out. Today we will discuss the phylum Arthropoda. Now, this phylum Arthropoda is one of the largest phylum we dey for the animal kingdom, and it contains many classes, about 4 classes of organisms dey for this phylum Arthropoda. Now, for these 4 classes of organisms we get the class Insecta, the class Arachnida, the class crustacean, and the class Myriapoda. Now, for the insecta, we get different organisms such as our grasshoppers, such as our cockroaches, mosquitoes, housefly. All of them dey for the class insecta. For the class crustacean, we get crab, we get crayfish, we get lobster. These ones dey for the class crustacean. Now, after crustacean, we get the class arachnida. For the class arachnida, we get organisms such as our spider and our scorpion. Spider and scorpion dey for the class arachnida. And the last class na the class myriapoda. The class myriapoda get organisms such as the centipedes and the millipedes. Now, we get some major characteristics wey all the organisms wey dey for the phylum Arthropoda dey share. Some of these characteristics be say, one, they get wetin we dey call segmented bodies. Segmented bodies. So if you look their body, e dey round for different segments. This one na characteristic wey most of the arthropoda get. Now, they get rigid exoskeleton. Their skeleton dey for their outside, and that skeleton dey made up of material, hard protein material wey we dey call chitin. Na wetin make up their exoskeleton. They get jointed appendages. They get legs and arms wey dey jointed. And some of these legs and arms sef dey carry hair. This hair they dey use am for sensitivity. They dey use am to understand wetin dey their environment. This one dey important. Some of them dey get, now the arthropoda dey divide their body in 2 ways. One of the ways wey we dey take divide their body na to divide am into head, thorax, and abdomen. Head, thorax, and abdomen. Now, the second way wey dey take divide their body, some of them get another kind of division wey be just head and cephalothorax. So if you look for body of arthropod, e fit be head, thorax, and abdomen, or e go be head and cephalothorax. Now, they get wetin they call triploblastic body layer, and this one means say they get 3 body layer. If you look at their body, if you spread them out, e dey for 3 layers wey dey join together. Now, if you come to respiration, sometimes they dey use gills. Some of them get trachea, and some of them get wetin they call lung brooks. Some animals too get some insects get wetin they call spiracles. They dey use am respire, take in oxygen and remove oxygen. Arthropods dey fit swim, dey fit waka. Their reproduction na majorly through sexual reproduction, and fertilization dey internal, meaning say the sperm and the egg go meet for inside their body. Sometimes they undergo wetin they call metamorphosis, meaning say they fit move. If you born them, they go dey as egg. Then from there they go move to larva, to pupa, and to adult. And some of them get complete metamorphosis, meaning the 4 stages dey, and some of them get 2 or 3 stages, and that one we dey refer to them as incomplete metamorphosis. If you come to feeding, some of them be herbivores, some na carnivores, and the others ones na omnivores. Those wey be herbivores, they dey feed on just plants and plant materials. The ones wey be carnivores, they feed on other organisms like themselves. Meanwhile, the last set wey be omnivores, they dey feed on both plant materials and other organisms like themselves. The arthropods, they get hard exoskeleton wey dey made up of chitin, and they dey do wetin they call molting. From time to time, they dey shed that their hard exoskeleton. They go remove am, and new one go grow. So I thank una for listening to this our lecture today. Have a wonderful day.